Since 2008, Beyond the Horizon, a project led by the U.S. Army South in collaboration with several local and international partners, has been serving communities across Belize. It is part of a wider program that provides civic assistance in Central American region. In the past, Belize has benefited from numerous construction projects, including the building of schools as well as medical and dental programs. This year, over 2,000 officers of the U.S. Army will be working on rotation to complete 5 construction projects and 3 medical service events valued at over $10 million US. Today, the lead team held a meeting with local partners to lay out the plans for the medical clinics. Major Sean Kemp is the Task Force Information Operations Officer of Beyond the Horizon 2017. He says the clinics will be able to accommodate some 600 persons per day. The clinics do not require registration and are free of cost.
Some of those medical practices or medical services that we're going to provide are here in Ladyville, which will start on April 9th and go to the 21st with the Easter break. We won't be providing services during that time. We also will be providing that during San Ignacio and Dangariga. Some of those services that we'll be providing at those clinics will encompass optometry, OBGYN, dental services, and general practice. We'll also have some NGOs and some other healthcare providers. They're providing education, pamphlets, and overall general information for the public to take back. We'll have pharmaceutical folks that are coming in from the United States. We'll also be coordinating with the different hospitals in the regions that will help support us. And we will be providing some basic medication. I think the max, we will provide about 7 days worth of medication during that time. And it'll be basic medication, some ibuprofen, things that, immediate need.
So people of all ages, from babies to elderly citizens?
Absolutely. We'll be providing pediatricians. We'll be there, geriatrics. So we'll have the full range and scope and capability to handle from infant to elderly.
Apart from the 3 medical clinics, the team has started work on multiple construction projects, 5 in total, which will see the construction of clinics, classrooms, and other structures. St. Matthew's Government School is set to receive 3 new classrooms.
We're building a new school building there. We're also building an additional clinic on Ladyville. We're building another clinic in Doublehead Cabbage. We're also building an expansion of the emergency room in Bellipan to include a covered parking for the paramedics and a medical incinerator. So those are the projects. Those have already started, and as our rotational folks come in between now and June 17th, those constructions will be ongoing.
In terms of the construction, are you working with our local personnel helping you on the ground, getting those projects up and going?
Yes, we've coordinated with a lot of the subcontractors to be able to come out and kind of establish some of the base work. For example, at the Ladyville, we had contractors come in and provide some of the piling work. So we have a total, America has invested about $11.5 million into the country of Belize. We believe that's important as we continue our partnership with the country in coordination with the U.S. Embassy and a long and enduring effort. Right now, we're having about 400 personnel on ground, and again, we have a duration, folks, like for myself, that I'm here from the start all the way till the end, which will be July 1st. And then every 2 weeks, we have rotational service members come in and providing those different services. So your first week might be framers and concrete folks, and your next rotation might be electricians and plumbers, and that project will continue through June 17th.
All these personnel coming in, there are within the Army and people who are trained.
Correct. All our service members are trained in whatever specialty field that is required. What's unique about this mission is that it's a true partnership and that it's a reserve component mission. So we have our reservists are taking their 2 weeks a year that they train, and they have civilian jobs, come over here and provide those services. So it's a really true testament to the citizen soldier coming here and providing those services and that partnership with Belize.
And to strengthen the work and impact of Beyond the Horizon 2017, Major Kemp says they welcome the support of local NGOs and other business partners to be a part of this initiative.
Unfortunately, fiscal constraints are always an issue, and we can't do everything. So we absolutely want to coordinate with all those non-governmental organizations or NGOs to help us support that. Part of that, we need water, we need tents. It's hot out, so we want to have, you don't want 600 people waiting outside in the sun. So if organizations can support that, we appeal to them. And we have, you could find us on Facebook, Beyond the Horizon. 2017, you can reach out to us and provide that support, and we'll have somebody get with you, or get with your local chairperson in Ladyville, San Ignacio, Dangriga. To include, we have many community relations events that we're planning, and those go above and beyond. That's, playing soccer with the kids, having a helicopter come out, provide a static display, and kind of getting the community together. So we need all the support we can get.
During the span of the project, the B.D.F. and other local organizations, including the Ministries of Health and Education, will work side by side with the U.S. military officers. The collaborative training exercise seeks to strengthen the partnership between the U.S. and Belize.
This is very important to us. I mean, our mission is to support and have a good partnership and relation with Belize. So in the event of, in the future, say there's a hurricane, we already have that established relationship, and we can come in there and help the B.D.F. and the government, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Defense, and we already have that partnership and bond where it's an easy transition for us to come down here and help and continue to build that. U.S. Citizens love to come down here and travel. We have over 1 million visitors here every year, traveling in, whether it's by ship or airplane. So we want to continue that relationship.
Reporting for News 5, I'm Andrea Polanco.